Hey guys, welcome back to Wagon Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove the windshield washer reservoir on a BMW E46. So it will be the same about from 1999 all the way until 2005 model. Okay, first what we need to do, we need a 10mm socket and a ratchet or a wrench would work as well, and we need to remove that screw right there. Once you remove the screw, you will be ready to pull the reservoir out. And you still have the wires attached to it right here. So what you need to do now, you just need to unhook this wire right here. So you need to press down on the clip to release it and then just pull up, okay, like that. And now there is one more on this side. This is for the level, for the fluid level. So again, the same procedure, just press to the inside, okay, right there, and pull. And the only thing holding in right now, it's this hose right here. But if you're not replacing it, you don't even need to remove the wire and the hose. You can just pull the pump out like that. You can just pull it up and pull it out. So that's the whole procedure about removing and replacing the windshield washer reservoir on BMW E46. Okay, thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.